1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a great tune on the acoustic guitar, Shy Away by 21 Pilots. Okay, cool. So let's go over the chords. We got F major. First chord, standard tuning. 1, 2, 3, 4. I play F like this. F major. F major 7. Then we have A minor, 1, 2, 3. G major, 1, 2, 3. E minor, 1, 2. Back to C. And then we have a little walk down, which is a B over. Let's call it B over G. So from C, you grab 2nd fret A string and add your pinky on 3rd fret B. Alright, so let's go with that first. We have one more chord later. We got a D minor. 1, 2, 3. I believe that's all the chords. Alright, let's talk about the switching. So we got F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, G major. 3, 4, C, and B over G. That's all the verses. Let's go back to F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor and G. 2, 3, 4. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. C and B over G. And the strumming is. So down, 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 up. Let's say. Down, 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 up, down, up, we got F, starts on F major again to D minor, A minor, and then we got that B over G again. F major, D minor, A minor, so B. Back to verse. Pick it up a little bit. A minor to G, E minor, C. Okay, chorus. down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. That's a hard one. Hard to explain. Down, down, da, 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 da. Hope you guys can see that. All right, let's talk about the parts one more time before we quit the lesson. F major for the verses. F major, A minor, G, E minor, C, and B over G. And then for the chorus, F major, D minor, A minor, and B over G. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. Please subscribe and like. I'll see you tomorrow with more great hits. Thank you.